Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome to this healing yoga practice to release trapped emotions. This is a space to let go of what your body has been quietly holding on to. Sometimes our emotions don't just live in the mind, they settle into the body. Through gentle movement, breathwork, and mindful awareness, we will begin to open those spaces, allowing energy, emotion, and peace to flow freely again. Our bodies know how to heal itself, and we need to be in the space of allowing this to happen. So let's take a deep breath in. Let's begin. We're gonna go and lie down flat on our stomachs, and we're stretching our hands forward, and we are lifting the hands and the legs, and we're holding them up. And deep breath here. And when you feel like your hands or legs start to tremble, then it's a very good sign. We are resetting our nervous system here. And now we can put the hands underneath the head, and we're just moving left and right with our legs. It releases any tensions from the lower back. And now we go in with stretching the legs and the hands once more. And deep breath here. And again, hands under the head, and release that tension from the back. And one more time, we are lifting. Very good. Now we're coming up to the Sphinx pose. We're opening our chest, eyes are rolled up to the third eye, eyes are closed. And we are imagining energy coming from the skies to our Anahata chakra, our heart chakra. This loving, compassionate, healing energy comes from our heart, and it flows through the hands, through the spine, into the hips, legs and feet, filling our whole body with love. And now let's go into the child pose. Try to sit in a way that your knees are as tight together as possible. And just ground yourself through the third eye, releasing everything that your body carries. Energy comes from the feet up to the spine, into the head, and out from the third eye. You give everything to Mother Earth that no longer serves you. And Mother Earth transmute this energy that you are giving it. She gives back this healing energy through the third eye, coming to your head, to your shoulders, to your hands, torso, legs and feet. And now we're lifting our body, and we start to move forwards and backwards. This very grounding, very healing, energetic powerful movement here. And come up to the easy pose. Now we're extending one leg forward. We're opening up the hips. As many of our emotions can be trapped in our hip area, in our Swadistana chakra. And now switch to the other side. Now we are lying to the ground. We are opening the hips and we are opening our hands with a 90-degree angle upwards, giving us a beautiful cactus pose here. Opening our chest, opening our body, opening our energy channels, grounding us, feeling the ground beneath us, its support, how it takes care of us. And allowing healing to happen. Deep breaths here. The deeper the breath, the better and more powerful the healing process. Now come back up. And we're going into the deep squat here, hands into prayer mudra, and with our elbows we are pushing the knees open. And we are working with our 3 lower chakras, our root chakra, Muladhara, our sacral chakra, Swadhisthana, and our solar plexus, Manipur. They ground you, awaken your creativity, ignite your inner power. When they are balanced, you feel safe, centered, confident, and connected to life. When they are blocked or depleted, you may feel unsteady, disconnected from your own strength, uninspired, fearful. So through this mindful breath, we are releasing stagnant energy, awakening our vitality. We are restoring harmony, and from the base of our spine, we are starting to move this energy up to the higher chakras. Putting one hand up, and we're opening our chest, and we are looking into the sky, going as deep into the stretch as possible. And if you wish, you can start to stretch your head one more time. And now we're moving into opening our Anahata chakra. We are placing the hands in the back of our back hands are holding each other in the back. And we're opening our Anahata chakra here, filling our bodies with compassion, self-love, nurturing energy, giving ourselves this kindness and healing. And we are extending this compassionate and loving energy all throughout to the universe. Very good. Now give yourself a hug here, and you can rock yourself back and forth a bit and just feel yourself. You can reconnect with your own heart, feel safe, supported, and deeply loved. Let your mind and body know that it's okay to rest, to feel, and to simply be. This is your time. Let go of self-judgment. This is your time. Soothe your nervous system. Hold yourself with compassion. As you exhale, soften into your own embrace. You are loved. You are safe. You are beautiful. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Lots of love. Bye.